Hello everyone, I am Sagar Sonone, student of MBA Finance. Today I have presentation topic is working capital management. Topic is a very interesting and beautiful. So I will start my presentation. First is working capital management meaning. Working capital is part of the capital which is need for meeting day-to-day requirement of the business concern. For example, payment, creditors, salary paid, worker purchase of raw material, etc. Normally, it is a consist of requirement in nature and can be easily converted into cash. Hence, it is also known as short-term capital. Then definition. Definition is working capital means current asset. Then second definition is current asset is working capital of a business. Then there are two concepts of working capital. First concept is a gross working capital and second concept is net working capital. Gross working capital Gross working capital is general concept which determines the working capital concept. Thus, the gross working capital is a capital invest in total current asset of the business concern. Gross working capital is simply called as the total current asset of the concern. Gross working capital is simply called as the total current asset of the concern. Below formula of gross working capital current asset. Then second concept is net working capital. Net working capital is specific concept which concern both current asset and current liability of the concern. Net working capital is excess of current asset over the current liability of the concern during particular period. Net working capital current asset minus current liability. And then last point is nature of working capital. Nature is a very important working capital management. First nature is it is a use for purchase of raw material, payment of wages and expenses. In changes of constantly to keep the wheel of the business moving. Third nature is working capital enhance liquidity solvency, credit worthiness and reputation of the enterprise. It generates elements of the cost normally materials, wages and expenses. And last nature, it's enable the enterprise of the avail cash discount facility offered by its supplier. I hope you understand my small presentation. Thank you. Thank you so much.